Transforming your physique with the power of push-ups. Push-ups, a simple yet effective bodyweight exercise, have been a staple in fitness routines for decades. Beyond being a test of upper body strength, push-ups offer a multitude of benefits that can significantly transform your physique. In this video, we'll delve into how incorporating push-ups into your regular workout routine can help sculpt and enhance your overall physique. 1. Targeted muscle engagement. Push-ups engage various muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. The dynamic nature of the exercise ensures that these muscles are activated simultaneously, promoting overall upper body strength and development. 2. Chest development. Push-ups primarily target the pectoral muscles, helping to define and strengthen the chest. Consistent push-up practice can contribute to a more sculpted and toned chest, making it an essential exercise for those aiming to enhance their upper body aesthetics. 3. Shoulder definition. The deltoids or shoulder muscles are actively involved in push-ups. Regularly performing this exercise can contribute to well-defined shoulders, giving your upper body a balanced and aesthetic appearance. 4. Triceps toning. The triceps, located on the back of the arms, play a crucial role in the pushing motion of a push-up. As you lower and push your body weight, the triceps are engaged, leading to increased strength and tone in this area. 5. Core stability. Push-ups require a stable core to maintain proper form throughout the movement. This engagement of the core muscles not only strengthens the abdominal region, but also contributes to improved overall posture. 6. Caloric burn and fat loss. Incorporating push-ups into your workout routine can contribute to increased caloric expenditure. This, coupled with the fact that push-ups engage multiple muscle groups, makes them an effective tool for burning calories and aiding in fat loss, promoting a leaner physique. 7. Adaptability and accessibility. One of the key advantages of push-ups is their adaptability. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, push-ups can be modified to suit your Additionally, push-ups require no equipment, making them a convenient and accessible exercise for anyone, anytime, and anywhere. Incorporating push-ups into your fitness regimen can yield transformative results for your physique. From sculpting the chest and shoulders to toning the triceps and enhancing core stability, this fundamental exercise offers a holistic approach to upper body development. Whether you're aiming for a chiseled appearance or improved overall strength, push-ups stand as a versatile and effective tool in achieving your fitness goals. So, lace up your sneakers, find a comfortable space, and start reaping the benefits of this timeless exercise today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health and fitness updates.